Okay, Sparky.
All right. So, with the holidays upon us, Christmas just a week away or so, give
Hey
or take.
there.
Yeah.
The bears.
So here's some things that you should and shouldn't do.
Some things.
So if
Sorry,
you're
we're taking
cooking
you
for
very
if you're cooking
seriously.
for the family and you're going to have the oven on for more than say a couple of hours, you want to make
Couple,
sure you open
tree.
the window because this will allow additional
Window.
fresh air to come in. Otherwise, this way you can avoid carbon monoxide poisoning, which leads to drowsiness, confrontations, and headaches.
Uh-huh.
Oh, confrontations.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, people get ornery.
Mhm.
Yep. Or they
Keep your tree watered, unless it's an artificial tree with electrical wires on it. But if it's a wood tree, if it's a real tree,
Yeah.
keep it watered.
Okay.
Says when the tree dries out, it'll lose its needles faster, and not to mention it becomes quite flammable.
Right.
It's like a
Turn
midlife
off all
crisis.
decorative lighting before you go to bed. And make sure everything has a UL label. Most doesn't, especially if made in China.
Right.
Make sure all outdoor lighting is plugged into GFCI outlets. Use timers with photocells, preferably.
Mm-hmm.
When you're cooking, wash your workspaces and utensils often. We have this conversation often. You should
Yes.
have two cutting boards, and they should be, at best, two different colors.
Okay.
And one is for meats and one is for veg. And
All
never
right.
use the other. That's
And don't cross-contaminate your meat cutting board with your vegetable. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And have
Keep
a
your
third one
knives
handy
sharp.
to hit someone with a smart comment.
Sharp knives are safer than dull knives.
Oh, yeah.
Sharp knife will cut much easier.
They
Most
cut-
people have dull knives, so they
they-
look like they're using a saw, not a knife.
They cut clean right through your finger.
Yeah,
there's
that's fine, because it heals faster if it's a clean cut.
Yeah, that's right.
If you're traveling, make sure your car battery, brakes, belts, antifreeze, get a winter safety kit, throw that in their trunk.
Uh-huh.
Make sure that you're all good to go.
Yep. So, and that's what Will's probably going to have to do. You want to do that now before you leave.
I'll be honest. I've been here 6.5 years, and I still have no will or want to
Yeah.
go to Disney, other than Epcot. Epcot has the drinking around the world thing, so that's just an adult challenge. You put the
got
kids
it.
in the amusement park, and then we all go out.
Got it.
How did we go from cutting boards to drinking all day at Epcot?
I don't know.
I don't know. It
That was
just
a
popped in
smooth
my head.
transition.
That's it.
All right, here's some don'ts.
Okay.
Don't put wrapping paper in your fireplace.
Yeah, that makes sense.
But it's so
when that burns and it
sparkly.
floats up, it starts the creosote in the chimney on fire, and you have a house fire. And that's, of course.
Rich,
Yes.
can you also add don't recycle your Christmas paper?
Don't recycle.
Why can't you recycle it?
You can't recycle Christmas wrap.
You can reuse it.
Yes. You cannot
Well,
throw
that's
it in your recycle bin.
recycling-ish.
Right. There you go.
Yeah, it's actually really hard. Like, we go to this recycling. Now I'm going way off topic. But like envelopes with the plastic windows aren't supposed to be recycled, or you got to pull the plastic window out. Plastic goes in the garbage. And and any paper that's glossy usually can't be recycled. My Gina's awesome, but she'll throw a 2x4 in the recycle can. She figures they'll make more paper out of it. Paper is made from wood, thus this 2x4 cutoff should be in the recycle bin.
Yeah.
I
Perfect
agree
sense.
completely.
Like
Maybe everybody should laminate their own recycle rules and tape it on their bins,
Oh, there you go.
so Waste Management knows.
Sure, exactly.
Yeah.
What
They actually run commercials here with the local. It's not Waste Management. They run these commercials and it tells you do and don't.
right?
She zones out.
There's probably some guy on those trucks that's like, if I look at one more pizza box,
right.
Oh, my God.
I'm going to run their bin over.
Yes.
All right, some more don'ts. Don't place candles near anything flammable.
Like curtains.
Or your uncle.
Yeah.
Don't thaw food. Yeah, that's true.
Oh yeah.
Don't thaw food at room temperature. It should be done in a refrigerator, underwater, or in a microwave. If you have a fire on the stove, this is a big one. Don't throw water on it.
No.
Use baking soda or a fire extinguisher, or if it's just in a pot, maybe put the lid on it.
There you go.
But don't throw water.
Okay.
Don't wipe counters down with disgusting sponges. And use Uber or Lyft.
Oh!
Whoa!
There you are. That's the way to close it out. All right, we're going to be back with Allison Case and her better half right after the break. You are listening to...
This is Mighty House. Mighty House will return